hail, cunt, hail. No, don't go out there, Jay. Don't go out there, bud. You'll get knocked out by one.
They're fucking big.
You'll get knocked out or something. Look at that. I want that big one, but you need a helmet.
Puss.
Holy shit! That's like the... Oh my god!
Holy fucking moly.
Don't go out there, bro. Don't do it.
Fuck you, dude, you'll die, man. Look at that.
Holy shit! You're right. That'd be better. Holy fuck. Man, I'm just thinking about all my gear.
They're getting bigger.
Yeah. We're gonna have to get up to your room.
It's getting fucked up.
Fuck you guys. That's loose.
There's a mint inside, though. There's an alien inside.
That's the hire car.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
You know what?
This is a crazy shit.
Yeah, this could have caught us in the middle of the road. Oh yeah.
Fuck yeah.
If we left half hour earlier.
It's like, good luck. Hardcore going, man. Oh! Are they ours? They're not ours, are they?
How fucking mental is this shit?